$15 or $1,500. One number decides whether this becomes a misdemeanor or a felony. Two legal questions sit underneath this footage, and neither one has a clean answer yet. Was this confession truly voluntary? Was this search truly justified? Keep watching.
My phone and just my lighters, that's it.
Alright, good. Alright, just go over here real quick, my man. Just come talk. Did anything happen today, my man?
And some ladies came in for a card. They gave me two, and I rang them up. They went outside. The lady came back. She said she was.
What time was this?
This is. There's like.
What do you mean by card? She like scanned a debit card or something?
No, not a debit card. You see those cards over there?
Okay. Yeah.
She got them. She wanted me to scan two of them for her, but she said she left the money in the car, so she wanted to go get the money. But I rang it up, and it was two of them. It was a big lady and a skinny lady. The skinny lady came in saying the big lady was going to get the money, but the skinny lady came in the door. She's waving the money, but I already done rang it up and everything. So that's when, and then they just left after that.
With the cards?
No, not with the cards.
You guys still have the cards? Right?
Yeah, the card's still there. I had rang it up. And
she like threatened you or anything?
No, they said, oh, we're going to get the money. But they came like in her doorway, waved the money, and just left.
10-4.
And I was just looking like, how you had me ring it up if you wasn't going to come in and give me the money for it?
Did she give you a problem about that?
No, she just waved the money.
And then just took off?
Then just left.
Do you know her? Is she a regular?
Never seen her a day in my life.
What happened today?
He called me around 10:10 that he was missing 1573, and I had to come to the store to make sure it's not on rings on one of the drawers.
10-4. 10-4.
And I checked the system and we didn't find them, but he said that.
Who said that you were missing 15 what?
1573? Oh, 63.
$1,563 from the cash register. And who told you that?
My assistant manager. Jim.
Was that you? He's your assistant manager?
Yeah.
Were you here today? You put your hand up.
I left around 7 something.
Okay. And then that's when he told you, hey, we're missing $1,563 from the cash register.
No, he told me around 10:10 when he was closing the system down.
Okay. And then you were home. And that's when you got here. Did you ask him about it?
I asked him how he lost the money. He said that he didn't know.
Okay. And then what else happened?
Well, he said that he rang some Apple cards, but he reprinted receipts, and we watched the video and we found that he put it on his pocket.
And then you the one that called her?
Yes, I called her.
All right, you're the assistant manager?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you get your hands right for me? You raise your right hand. You swear from the statements you're going to make today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
And you're the assistant manager?
Yes, sir.
What happened today?
Well, he closed down the store like usual. He come down the drawer. There's the clear printing up. You can see he was missing 1563. Before, like, I called my boss to look everywhere for the money, but there was no money on his drawer or nothing. So I went to come Brinks up. The total wasn't matching what the internal report said, because he was just read off 1563 for real. So I told him, I asked my manager to come here right now because it's emergency, because Isaiah missed 1563. Then we checked it out, everything matches, like he was missing 1563. Then we print out his recent receipts. We checked the cameras and took it.
When you check the cameras, what did it show?
Him scanned it.
Say it again?
Scanned the Apple cards.
He scanned Apple cards?
Type in the number, how much money he want. Then the drawer opened, he closed it back up, put it back in the pocket.
What did he put in his pocket?
The Apple cards.
The Apple cards?
Yeah.
All right, so raise your right hand. Do you swear and affirm that the statements you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Put your hand down. Do you acknowledge that whoever knowingly provides a false statement under oath shall be guilty of a misdemeanor of first degree punishable by imprisonment up to 1 year?
Yeah.
So if you give me a lie, you tell me a lie, and video proof and everything else tells me otherwise, it's an extra charge, all right?
Yeah.
So we're here today because apparently something went wrong with the cash register, right?
Yes, sir.
You're closing out, and then tell me what happened.
We was closing out, and then
I don't need no bullshit story. If we have video proof, it's just gonna make it harder, bro. Just be honest and straight up with me. You can't lie when there's proof, when there's cameras at. You know what I mean? So you tell me something completely different, or you're talking to somebody and customer came, I just need the truth, okay? The truth is gonna help you out in the long run, which if I decide to take you to jail tonight or not, okay? So, just trying to tell you again, just tell me the truth. $15-something is not worth it, dog. So just tell me the truth, okay? With that being said, go ahead and tell me.
I had grabbed the card and I rung them up.
How many cards?
It was 3.
3 cards?
Yes, sir.
What card was it?
I could show you.
What kind of card was it?
It was the Apple card.
Apple card?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what color is it?
It's white with I think blue lighting on it.
Okay, and then what'd you do? You ringed them up?
Yes.
And what happened after that?
I sat him to the side and then kept ringing them up and put him in my pocket.
What'd you put in your pocket?
The card.
All 3 of them? And was it $15 altogether? So it was like 5,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Okay. Who were you with? Anyone during this time?
It was just me.
It's just you decided to make that decision on your own? There was no customers? Okay. So, do you think that was wrong?
Very.
Very wrong? Okay. You know that's considered theft? You know you can go to jail for that? And it's $15, bro. It's not worth it, dog. I appreciate you telling me the truth.
Yes, sir.
It's only gonna make it easier on both of us. And with that being said, I can try to help you out. Have you ever been in trouble before?
Not like.
Have you ever gone to jail before?
No.
Okay. Have you ever stole before? Like ever got arrested? Nothing? What made you do this?
Bad thoughts.
Okay. Do you think that was you were gonna get away? No. All right. So I don't know the story that you gave him, and I don't care about it. I appreciate you telling me the truth. I'm about to go look at the video. If it relates and everything, you telling me the truth, then obviously I'm gonna try to help you out.
Where did those cards come from? Did someone bring them up to the register?
I think he had grabbed it.
Is there video where that card comes from?
It's all over the stuff for real.
Like rewind to where like he scans the card, the first card.
Alright. I know this card he got brought on with the bags under the bags.
But like no one comes up trying to order a card.
No one. He did so.
Okay.
We press 500.
That's what's on there? The receipt says 500?
Yeah. 500. You see how that rest will pop up?
Yeah, I see that, yeah. And then what's on that one?
500, 1,500 for each one.
Alright, can we collect this video?
Sure.
And then it's 3. All 500?
Yes, all 500.
Alright, let me just get the receipts off. I don't need the card itself.
Alright.
So 3 cards, they're white cards with the blue label. I'm about to see it. The total was $15, right? So you put like 15 and change, 5 and change, 5 and change, 5 and change, right? Once you got done ringing them up, what'd you do?
Put them in my pocket.
You put it in your pocket. And then, how long you been working here?
I did my 3rd week.
This is your 3rd week? Have you closed before?
Once.
Once?
This is my 2nd time.
How much was the value of the cards? Five what? 500. So $1,500 that you stole. Is that correct? I was told 15 and change. Yeah. Where are those cards at right now?
They're in the office.
They're in the office? Okay.
Oh, hold on to that.
Go ahead and turn around. You're being detained right now. You're not being arrested, okay? As of right now.
I'll let you go watch the video, but it looks like 3 separate transactions. You ain't got nothing on you that's gonna poke problems?
No, sir. I just have my phone in my right pocket and then my left. Those are my lighters. That's it.
That's it?
Yes, sir. Nothing else.
You mind if I take them out?
Yeah. I got on underpants under here, so you'll probably have to pull my khaki pants down just a little bit. Just to get to
That's
them.
your key?
Oh, yeah, my house key.
They're like in this pocket, bro?
Yeah.
I got it.
After 3.
How the hell you got 3 lighters?
Cause I really have them. Cause my mom be bleeding them, so I really just keep a light on me. And then my phone, it's just my phone in my right pocket.
Just this one?
Yeah.
You good. Just don't touch that. It's kid or nothing. It's dirty, alright?
Deputies went to the suspect's house after he informed them that he had only one key to his residence and requested that it be given to his mother.
Hi.
You're the mother of
Isaiah, yes.
Carpenter?
Yes.
All right, here you go. Did
What-
the deputy advise
what-
you what was going on?
What he went to jail for? What did he steal?
Okay, so he was at work,
Mm-hmm.
what he did was he put $1,500 worth of like money on gift cards.
Mm-hmm.
Put the gift cards in his pocket and steal it. So he's being charged with theft. It's a felony amount, so he's gonna be going to jail for a felony. Primary officer, when I got there, I thought it was like a misunderstanding, or maybe he did do it.
Oh, he lies real bad.
And, you know, I thought at first it was $15. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to help you out. Like, you never been arrested. Like,
He has no record. Like, what is you thinking?
So, and then I'm doing the interview, and then he's like, yeah, I did it. Like, I messed up. I'm like, all right, thanks for letting me know. Thanks for admitting to me. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to try to do my law enforcement and try to squash this.
Mm-hmm.
But when they came out with the receipts, $500 3 times. And I'm like, what are you thinking, brother? There's cameras out here, man.
Family Dollar got cameras all in that place. Everywhere.
So, like I said, it's unfortunate I couldn't help him. I don't know what his thing was. Like, he just...
Like, what the fuck you was gonna... Sorry. What the heck you was gonna do with the gift cards?
Yeah. It's all traceable.
You don't have to say sorry. You don't have a potty mouth, but no tomorrow.
I mean, we tried. I mean, obviously, when it's that amount, it's
kind of out of our hands. We can't really.
It's a
do
felony.
nothing about it.
That man got a whole felony because he decided to do something stupid.
And that's the great thing. He just started working at Family Dollar. He ain't been there 2 months.
This is his first job?
This is his first job. Now you got a whole record.
Yeah. So when he goes to apply for other places, it's going to be there too. So maybe when he gets out, he can, I don't know, try to see if they can pay him back or whatever they need to do. If they decide to drop it, that's on them. But we had to do our thing, you know. And it's unfortunate we see like good kids do things like that because it's out of our hands.
A brief detention only requires reasonable suspicion. A weapons frisk requires something more. A separate belief that the person is armed and dangerous. Florida Statute 901,151 codifies that exact 2-part standard, known nationally as the Terry stop. Miranda warnings are not required for every interview. They apply only once a person is in custody. Berkmer versus McCarty draws that line. Ordinary investigative questioning does not automatically create custody, but voluntariness is a separate question from custody. Linham versus Illinois established that a confession built on a promise of leniency can be ruled involuntary, even without a Miranda violation. A false statement under oath outside a courtroom is still a crime. Florida Statute 837,012 makes it a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year. Florida theft law turns on one number: $750. Florida Statute 812,014 classifies anything above that line as grand theft, a felony punishable by up to 5 years. Courts do not value stolen property by what the offender personally gained. They value it at fair market value at the time of the theft. That single valuation rule is why a loaded gift card can be worth $500 in the eyes of the law, even if the person who stole it only spent 15. 3 lessons sit underneath this case. Frisk is never automatic. It needs its own justification, separate from the stop itself. Cooperation during a search is not the same as protecting your legal rights during an interview. The value of stolen property is measured by the law, not by what a suspect believes they actually took. So which number holds up in court? $15 or $1,500? That question is still unanswered, and it may decide everything that happens next.